Here I've got LG and let me show you how to change a wallpaper on the following device. So at first, let's open the list of all applications, then find and pick the settings. Here you have to scroll down and select home screen. And now, by tapping on wallpaper, you will be able to pick the source that you would like to choose your wallpaper from, so you can pick it from wallpaper gallery, one from live wallpapers, multi-photo, or one from Google Photos. I will pick wallpaper gallery. And now simply select the one that you would like to cover your screen with. So as you can see, there are several propositions and I will pick this one and then simply click on Set Wallpaper. And that's it. As you can see, from now on this brand new wallpaper is covering your screen. Then if you would like to change the lock screen as well, simply open the settings, go to lock screen and also go to the wallpaper, pick wallpaper gallery or your own, it's all up to you. Then select the picture and now click on Set Wallpaper. And from now on, also your lock screen is covered with brand new wallpaper. Let me show you, here it is. So this is the one on your lock screen, and then here you've got this brand new wallpaper on your home screen. And that's basically all. This is how you can update, refresh your display in LG G3. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.